Alright, we're all in the meeting. Everything's going smooth. Got some great stuff going on in this chat. Alright guys, so the first clip you just saw was the Zoom webinar I have every night with my Telegram room. That is for going over stocks for the week, the next day, or the trades that we're previously in. So yeah, that was that. So yeah, this video I'm going to be explaining the 3 stocks I'm going to be buying live with you guys right now. It's actually 4. I'm going to throw in a bonus on the very last one because it's on a different platform. But I'm going to show you guys the 3 stocks that I'm buying right now. So the first one we're actually going to be looking at here is Verizon. So Verizon, I've been looking at for a while. I've been wanting to add this to my portfolio for a long time now. If you look back at their 1 year, they're trading pretty high. It looks like their 52-week high was about 62.07 until it fell down when the market retracted. It then zoomed back up all the way back up to 58.46, and then now it's come back down to 55.16. So we're actually down a couple dollars. You see this right here, guys? Trading at 54.16. Right now it's trading at 55.16. So I think that it's going to hit that, and it's either going to bounce and reject and go back up, or it's going to bounce and continue to go down. So I'm actually going to place a buy order for 5 shares right here. And I'm actually going to get a little dividend out of it, which is pretty cool. It's not going to be much to really notice anything in my portfolio, but it is something. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and buy 5 shares and add them to the queue because the market is closed right now when I'm buying this. So yeah, there it is, 5 shares of Verizon. And done. Super excited about owning this in my portfolio now. And also something cool with Verizon in the future is I know they're going to be big on 5G. So I'm betting on this stock in the future to be huge on 5G. And that is how this stock will continue to expand and kind of move forward. Now, the next one we're going to be doing is actually one that I held onto a while ago. Like I bought this stock was recommended to me a long time ago in some random forums I was in. So the best way to explain what they have is they have 2 model drones. The drone itself is what's cool about the company. I mean, it is really cool. It has some sick features. Is used for farmers to see above their fields to see that what parts of the fields are dead or not. But that technology that they have in their system is very unique. And I believe that not too long ago, a reasoning for the stock to get hyped up and kind of shoot up was because Amazon was thinking of buying it just for the software itself. So I bought a bunch of shares. Let me click show more. I bought a lot of these shares though when it was cheap. So yeah, I bought 73 shares at 40 cents and 80 shares at 0.50 cents. And then I had 153 shares total, and I actually sold it at $4.50. So literally rode these from 40 and 50 cents to a high amount. But yeah, and then I've been monitoring this stock for a while now for the past couple weeks, and it's been hovering here at $1, and I think it's time for me to re-enter. So yeah, for this is going to be a stock that we're going to be holding on to a very long time here. Ticker symbol UAVs. We're going to go ahead and place our buy order to own 50 more shares. Go ahead and buy. So now it's going to be in the queue for market open. So when the market opens, those will go through. All right, guys. And for the third one, we're actually going to be looking at Cemex here. So this is a concrete company mainly based in Mexico. But if we go and look at their chart, it's still hanging at a low ever since all this stuff kind of happened. Yeah, so you can see right here back in February, we were trading at like a high of around 430. 435 right there, and then it fell back down below. And yeah, it's been kind of just consolidating down here, and I think that it is time to place an order. I've been watching this for a while, and I already have some shares in my I already own, how many do I own? I already own 32 shares of them, but we're actually going to buy some more. So we're going to buy 20. No, let's go ahead and buy 60. How many do we want to own? We'll just do 60. So yeah, $125 for 61 shares, and we just increased our position now. So yeah, now that we placed that, our order will be in the queue in the morning, so 60 more shares will execute, and then our average cost should come down, depending on market open, what the price is at. And then yeah, so guys, my last trade that I'm going to be sharing with you guys that I recently bought, I'm not buying this live, this is the one that I'm not buying live. And I actually bought 100 shares of this at, I think it was about a little bit less than that. I've only made $4 profit off this trade total. But this is MindMed, ticker symbol MMEDF. Now, the reason I'm showing this on Ameritrade is because this is not available for Robinhood users. Normally, you'll see NYSE in front of your ticker symbols. Right here, you'll see OTCQB. which is basically just an exchange for lower tier companies that aren't quite there yet for the official stock exchange. So yeah, that is why we're using Ameritrade to own this stock. But I do own 100 of them. And a little bit about MindMed. I'm just going to tell you a small portion. Please, guys, go look them up, do your own research. You'll see some pretty big people that are investing in them as well. And basically what MindMed is a research on microdosing, hallucinogenics, and things of that nature. So it is a stock that, that I believe that hallucinogenics, cannabis, and, stuff like that is our future. So yeah, I picked up 100 shares for only 40 cents. And I made $4 profit so far. But who knows? One day this may hit the global exchange and actually become a very big company and one of the first at it. Because there's not many companies that are you're able to buy on a brokerage like this. So yeah, everyone, that was the last stock that I'm going to be showing you guys. As you can see, it was actually a down day for everything. There's some federal news at the end of the day that kind of took everything out of par in the last hour. But if you guys are enjoying videos like this, make sure to leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, on a quick note too, before I go, if you guys want these trades instantly whenever I purchase them, the first link in the description will be to my group chat, and that's how you can see my live trades. Also, everyone, before I end this video, I wanted to just put out a book that I want to recommend everyone to go and read. Tony Robbins' Money, Master the Game, 7 Simple Steps to Financial Freedom. It's a pretty thick book, to be honest, but I'm making my way through it. I'm going to start putting these every video because, guys, I read a ton of books. Excuse my messy drawer down here. But, guys, I have tons of books in here that I've read. So, yeah, every video, I'm going to put a book recommendation out. Look at that. Look what just came in if you know this book. Bam. Another book. There, guys. Later.